Okay, guys, I'm going to teach you one of my favorite card tricks to do, and it's really pretty easy. How many of you do good when you have to do spelling in your classroom, learning how to spell words? Well, if you can spell just a little bit, you can do this card trick. Um, if, if you have a deck of cards, you can get those out. Or even if you don't have a full set, if you're missing some cards, that's okay, because we only need 9 cards. And we're going to make 3 sets. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And that's all the cards we need. So as long as you got at least 9 cards, you can do this trick too. So this is a little bit of spelling and a little bit of counting. Because we have 3 plus 3 equals what? It's 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. So it's some counting and some math and some spelling. Now, Miss Reynolds, I'm going to... Actually, Isabella, can you play along with me? This is 1, 2, or 3. Tell me which set that you want to look at.
2.
Number 2, this one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm going to turn my head where I can't see, and I'm going to hold up the bottom card so that everybody can see what that card is and try to remember it, okay? If you don't know the names of all the cards, that's okay. Just try to remember what color it is and what number or picture is on it, okay? All right, so here's the card that Isabella chose. All right, everybody remember what it is. All right, now, Isabella, do you want me to put this set of cards on number 1 or number 2?
Number 1.
This one?
Yes.
Okay, I'm just going to drop them all there, and then we're going to take all of these and drop them on this last one, okay? All right, now, here's how we find out what Isabella's card is. Miss Reynolds, I need you just to, don't tell me the name of Isabella's card, but name any other card you think of.
The 4 of Hearts.
The 4 of Hearts, okay? So, what we're going to do is we're going to spell out the name of that card that Miss Reynolds just thought of and see if that helps us find Isabella's card. So, if you know how to spell the word 4, spell it out with me. It's F-O-U-R. So that's the word 4. Now, every card has a middle name. It's a little short word called of. So spell that with me. O-F. And then finally, Miss Reynolds said the 4 of Hearts. So we have to spell out hearts. H-E-A-R-T-S. So now we've spelled the name of the card that Miss Reynolds thought of. So to find Isabella's card, we just need a little magic. So spell out the word magic with me. M-A-G-I, and there is Isabella's card. Did we get it right?
Yes.
All right, good job, guys. Thank you all for helping me. And I'm going to show you how easy that trick is to do. And it really kind of works itself. You don't have to remember how to do very much at all. Hi, guys. So what you do is you start out with 9 cards. They can be any cards. And you do 3 sets of 3. So that's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And you're ready to go. And you have somebody pick one of these sets of cards. And let's say this time they pick this one. And all they're going to do is look at the bottom card. So this time it's the 9 of spades. I'm going to look this time because it really doesn't matter if I know it or not. And then you tell them to put it on top of one of these 2. So let's say they put it there. And then you put all of that on top of that stack. And you're ready to start. Now all you need to do is spell the name of any card that you want to. Let me just pick another one off the deck. Let's say, well, that came out to be the 5 of Hearts. So we'll spell 5 of Hearts this time. Actually, let's get a different card because Miss Reynolds had said 4 of Hearts. We'll get something that would have different letters in it. Oh, what about this? 9 of Diamonds. Let's try that because that's got a different number of letters in it. So we're going to spell out 9 of diamonds and see if we find that card that we saw. And so here's the only thing you got to remember to do, guys. It's when you spell out the name of the card first. So in this case, it was a 9. So we're going to go N-I-N-E. And then all the cards I have left in my hand after I've spelled out, I'm just going to drop them on top. That's the only thing you have to remember to do. And then all the cards have that little of in it, so it's just O and F. And then you just drop all the cards on top. And then you spell out what picture shape is on the card. And this time it's diamonds.
Mama, what's going on my
So it's
Chromebook? My Chromebook was just on a high percent, and now it's on a low.
D-I-A-M-O-S. And then drop that last one on top. And now, to find that card we're looking for, we just have one more thing to spell, and that's the word magic. So it's M-A-G-I. And then the C, the last card you pick up when you're spelling magic, will be the card that we started with. Okay, guys, so it's really pretty easy to do. Just remember, when you're spelling out the card, when you're finished spelling the first word of the name of the card, whatever things you have left in your hand, just drop them on top of that. And then don't forget to spell out the of, drop it on top, and then the name of the symbol. Like if it was this card that we were spelling, that's a club. So we would spell C-L-U-B-S for clubs and drop the rest on top. And once you've spelled out the name of the card, then all you have to do is spell magic, M-A-G-I, and then that very last letter will be the card that we're looking for. So I hope you all enjoy that. If you have some cards at home, you can practice that and then show it to your family and friends.